making a second video on this seatbelt clasp because the other one was, I had somebody helping me film, and I think it was too far away to see it. So pull your seatbelt all the way down tight till it stops. Then you flip this like that over itself. I'm doing all this with one hand, so it's a little tough. You want to get the seatbelt like that, flipped over one time over itself, and then you pinch this kind of tight right here to help it go up into the slot. Again, I'm doing it one-handed, so bear with me a second. Get that pinched tight and held tight, and pull down, and now you can see it's starting to go through. Keep it folded over, pull down. Now it's on the other side of the belt. So again, this wrinkle will go away probably within the day. Again, you just start rolling it over like this until you get it flipped and bent over like that. Hold this pinched tight. Pull the seatbelt until it stops to help you. And just pull down against the seatbelt. I'm pulling it across crooked and it's messing it up. Okay, I had to get that moved over. And now I can continue pulling it and holding this flat here so it'll go up in there flat. And then it's on the other side again.